Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-cut new Bye-Bye Knot lace unit, you guys. This is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit. I absolutely love this one because it definitely gives you frontal vibes. I know you guys have been watching a lot of my units lately and they have had this kind of lace, and I really do like it because it gives you the frontal look with the closure kind of price. And this unit is under $100, you guys. This unit is very affordable and it's very quick and easy to put on. It's perfect for beginners because this unit comes with very, very tiny knots. It's pre-plucked, which is absolutely amazing. You guys can see like how great this hairline looks. I mean, even before like I put baby hairs and all this stuff in it, you guys were able to see what the hairline was giving, and I really do like how they plucked this unit because they didn't overdo it. There's a lot of companies that do like pre-pluck the units, but sometimes like in the center part it can give like bald, and I hate when they do that, like, because then it makes it look weird, you know what I mean? So I just like the fact that this is nice and full all the way through. It's such a deep parting space. Like, look how far back that parting space goes. I love the length for this one, and I like how full it is because sometimes when we have like these bobs, sometimes it can give thin, and I hate that. Like, I hate when I get a bob and it just looks super like thin, especially like in the front piece. Like, the back is usually full, but the front piece be looking crazy, or the front piece doesn't match up well with the rest of it, and I literally hate when that happens. But yeah, I really do like this bob.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the gold. 700 3i5s, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, and get the loot. Pull up with that trick, I'm play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a fruit. New place me feelin', pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a literary. We at the door like we the delivery.
He got a plug and middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Sugar Ray Robinson. Shot to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray 'em just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep, jump out to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Hanging on the corner, big attack till it buys. I thought I was a place to your honor, burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna, hotter than the sun. I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help.
I don't really wear short hair very often. You guys know me. I'm usually like a 30-inch or better type of girl. I love really long hair all down my back. But on occasion, I do like the short units, and I really do like this bob. I feel like bobs just make me feel like a boss. Like I just feel like I want to put on a really cute, like, I don't know. Like I just feel like I'm ready for a important meeting or something. Like I just feel like I have like important meetings to go to all day. I need to talk to my secretary. I need to cancel that, you know, brunch date with such and such. But yeah, here's an up close look at the edges and everything. This is what it's giving. I really do like the lace on this unit, you guys, was really good. I like that it had like the pre-cut lace and it was like the kind of like scallop type of vibe. Like it just looks so good. And this hair is like a jet black color. I really like that as well. And just like, look how full it is. And it just has a nice flow to it. It's just really nice. So shout out to Nadula, because Nadula always comes through with the bomb units. And I really do like these new units that they have. I really like that companies are having like a lot of units that are ready to go out of the box. Like it has a pre-cut lace. This is definitely a glueless unit as well. And my lace looks like invisible, like, okay. It's definitely serving and giving, girl. Really like that. Like even if you move the hair back, like look how good the lace is on here. It's just giving, and they pre-plucked it so good. Like let me zoom y'all into that, because y'all need to really get into this. Like hello. Yeah, and they bleached it so good. Like look how well. I'm gonna cut this little piece here. Okay, I fixed like that little piece right there because that was bothering me. Because at first I was like, oh, it's under there and they ain't gonna be able to see it. And then I kept pulling my hair back and I'm like, but I can see it and it's bothering me. But yeah, they really do a really good job with pre-plucking it. Like you don't have to bleach the knots on this unit. And the knots are so small. And that's why they call this the bye-bye knot unit, because the knots are like invisible. You can't see them. It just gives straight up natural scalp. Like y'all see what's going on. The only thing that I had to do to customize this unit was just put a little bit of makeup on my lace just to match me a little bit better. But other than that, girl, this unit is ready to go literally straight out of the box. I went ahead and just like bumped the ends just a little bit just to like refresh it. But you really don't even have to do that too much. Like it's just great. And the great thing about it is you do have a lot of parting space on here, so if you don't want to wear it in the middle part, you can definitely switch it up. You can wear it as a flip over. You can do a deep side part. But yeah, like look at how bomb. Like what? So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out this unit from Nadula, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. Bye. Nadula.